Hello everybody, my name is JT and welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to be going back into a handful of horror. So without further ado, let's get right on into this. Alright. Starting off with the radio tower. If you don't like heights, this is the game.
Hey, Johnny. Sorry for the short notice, but we really need communication in that area restored as soon as possible.
Don't worry, boss. You're paying me triple the usual, so I'll be quick.
That's the spirit. Just remember, the tower is right on the edge of the evacuation zone, so lay low, right?
Hey everyone, this is Manly Bandit.
My hands are so cubey. I got cubey hands. Oh, holy shit! I'm so. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, this is If you don't like heights, skip to this time. Oh, though. Push up contrast secures first try kill. All right. Let's do this. Grab the screwdriver from your belts. Oh, God. Okay. I need to do anything with that? No? Okay. Holy shit. Open the electric box. Oh, it's matching wires. I like this. I'm good at this one. Oh yeah. Okay, so I can't. Oh wait, do I have to? I just leave it just like that? Okay. No need to close it. Holy shit. What happens if I just... I can speedy climb. I don't like speedy climbing. Alright. Oh, I hate that. There. Alright. And we are not anywhere close to being at the highest. Fuck it. Speedy climb. What? Oh, dear God. Oh, dear God. Oh, dear God. Oh, dear God. That's not cool. Oh, he's right on my ass. Oh, he is right on my ass. Chat, I'ma die. Yeah, oh, dear God. Ow. That hurt. Oh, now we're at checkpoints. Okay. Throwing antennas at it should slow it down. Come on, bro. Whoa. Oh, what? Oh, fuck. Okay. Looks like I managed to escape. Okay, thank God. Holy shit, I'm so high. Alright. Okay. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, yeah, oh. What is happening? Oh. Yeah. No, I'll restore it. I did what I had to. Holy shit, that goes higher. What the fuck? I'll see you all in hell, you bastards. Oh, that's what that meant. Ah, fuck. Oh god, hold on. Oh, hi, bud. Ah, bye. Yeah.
Thanks to the sacrifice of a brave worker fixing the only radio tower connecting Crimson Pine City, the company could act quickly and take care of the issue cleanly. Now we are continuing with the usual process.
With the usual. No, that was fun. That was really cool. I like that. Honestly, like, I would really like an endless mode of like the whole thing of just it being different things or different puzzles and everything. That was fun. I like that. You know, again, if you make like an endless mode of this, that would be pretty cool. And like, but like add like a bunch of different puzzles or monsters that you need to deal with. This is called Old Friend, which I'm guessing is him. Oh, hey buddy. Let's get right on in. Use headphone and turn off all the lights for better experience. Alrighty. Oh, this house looks familiar. I fucking queso. Ugh, watching queso really makes me hungry. I don't know why. Guess I'll check the fridge for something to eat. I know this house. I know this neighborhood. I thought that was some.
Should now be open. Remove the power module from the chest cavity. Great work.
Bro just has queso's fucking shit on. That's funny. Yeah. Bro, I got none as expected. It's empty. Guess I'll go to the store. Okay. Guess we'll go to the store. Unknown number is calling. Press E to answer his call. Hello? Hey, it's John. John? Really? After all that happened? I know I've got no right to ask you, but I need a ride to the office. You ghosted me for months. Now you're asking for favors? I wouldn't call if it wasn't important. A client file. It's in my desk. I'll lose everything. And that's my problem? No, but I'm out of options. I'm sorry. Fine. Don't think this fixes anything. I know. Who is this John fellow? You need the key to open the car. That makes sense. Where's my key? Where's the key? Key? Key. Is he gonna leave on the TV? Can I turn off the TV? Nope. Close my door so no creepy clappers can get in. After about 10 minutes of driving, you finally arrived at John's house. After picking him up, you both exchange a few words about the past and how things used to be. You mentioned you were going to the store before heading to the office. After another 15 minutes, you pulled into the store to grab some food. Hello, John. Milk, soda, chips, cereal, noodles, bread, and water. Oh, chips. Chips. Bread. You know, I've seen what's it called? I know not to deal with that shit. Milk. Soda. Soda. Jesus Christ. Whoa, what the? You scared me, old man. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I was just thinking about my son. Your son? What about him? He's gone, dead. It's been 3 weeks now. Sorry to hear that. What happened? It wasn't an accident. Shapeshifter had killed him, pretending to be someone we knew. No one believes me. I don't know what to say. I should have get going. Be careful. It could be anyone. Even someone you trust. Uh-huh. Like this old guy? If you wake up right now, do I stop existing? Or do you? Cereal! What else do I fucking need? I need more chips, more cereal, noodles, and water. Water! Where the fuck is everything else? There's more chip? No. What was that? Noodles? Was that noodles? So I need more chip. Chip. No. Not chip. What was that? Was that cereal? Chips. I'm gonna just... Fuck. I can't go. Okay. You look a little tense. Everything good? Yeah, just a long day. Uh-huh. You know, some days feel different, don't they? What do you mean by that? Just saying, sometimes you think you see something, but it's not what you think. What is that supposed to mean? Oh, nothing. Just don't trust everything you see. Alright. That's strange. Just ring it up. Sure, sure. That'll be $27. Thanks. Let me leave. Let me... Oh. I thought that was the fucking door. Oh my god. Bye. Are you not the real John? Well, we'll see. If I get killed by John. After leaving the store, you drive to the office. You arrive at the office building and park near the entrance. John gets out of the car and says, I won't be long. Wait here. I won't be long. Wait here. Before heading inside. Ugh, brother. Where the fuck do you work? The fuck is this place? Mental hospital? After 15 minutes, he's taking too long. I'll go to check what he's doing. Let me guess. He died. Building is dark. I'll check the generator out back. Why the fuck? What? What? Why is that my job? The other... Nah, fuck you. Bro, fine. That's funny, though. That's funny that it does that. Why is it my job to check if the generator is running? What? Fuck that. Like, brother. Not my job to check if this fucking shit's running. Why does it matter if the generator is running? I'm going in to check if he's still alive, not to fucking turn on everything. What the fuck is this generator? Oh. This looks dangerous. I'll take the flashlight. Okay. The fuck? Wait, why are there like a bunch of other generators down here? I don't. You know what? Also, that was a circuit breaker, not a generator. I don't know why I had to do that. Also, why is that my, like, what? He went into it, fine. Why did I have to do that? Whatever. Oh, I can hide. That's great. I love that. Why are there cages? What the who the fuck what the fuck do we work for? Oh, Johnny boy. Johnny boy, where are you? Johnny boy. Nope. Oh, Jesus. What the fuck? A mini safe? Oh, Johnny boy. Oh. John's computer last logged in 3 weeks ago. Well, that's not good. Johnny boy's gonna kill me, ain't he? Fuck, man. Alright. Jake is calling. Proceed to answer. Oh, wait, Jake? Not Johnny? I've been calling him Jake. I mean, Johnny. I've been calling him Johnny, not Jake. Jakey boy. Hey, Jake. Why is your car parked outside the office? Yeah, I oh, wait, no, it is John. Johnny boy. Who's Jake? What? Yeah, I dropped John off. He asked me for a ride to grab something from here. John, what do you mean you dropped him off? John's been dead for 3 weeks. What? No, that's impossible. He was just with me. Listen to me. He's been dead for 3 weeks. You need to get out of there right now. Oh, Johnny boy. Johnny boy, where are you? Are you gonna tear me apart with your big strong arms, Johnny boy? Johnny boy. It's locked. You need a key. Oh, well, fuck you. Johnny boy, where are you? Johnny boy. Johnny boy. Brother. Okay, am I just blind? Oh, Jesus Christ. Johnny boy, there you are. You gonna kill me now? Oh, Jake. This is Jake. This is not Johnny boy. Oh, what the hell? Jake, you scared me. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, this isn't Jake. This is Johnny in disguise. Wait, this is the monster who was disguised as Johnny boy that's now disguised as Jakey boy. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to. How did you get in? The door's locked. Locked? It wasn't locked when I came in. I just walked right in. That's impossible. I tried. It's locked. Is this a trap? Look, I don't know if I don't know, but if the door's locked, now we'll need the key to get out. Yeah, I figured I was trying to find it when you scared me. There's a safe. It should help us get out of here. The passcode is 6571. Oh, 6571. 6571. There's Johnny boy. Johnny boy. Hey there, Johnny boy. Killer health. Johnny boy. Hey, Johnny boy. Johnny boy, where you going? Okay, I'll stop fucking around. 6521, right? 6521, 6521. Fuck. Uh, 6521. What? 6251? Oh, fuck. I don't remember the fucking... 6512, 6152, 56. I don't remember. One of these has to be it. One of these has to be it. I don't remember what the fucking passcode is. There's like... Oh, hi. I genuinely don't remember what the fucking passcode is. Okay, so I don't know where I got that 2 from. It's 6571. Yeah, genuinely don't know where I got that 2 from. I don't know where I got that from, but you know what? Whatever. Oh wait, this is a crowbar. Hi, Johnny boy. Yeah, no, I don't know where I got the 2 from. It was 6571, not 6217. It was what? Whatever. This isn't a key. I know what I need to do with it. I need to unlock this thing. Oh, fuck. Come on. A gun? Oh, come here, buddy. Where are you? Fuck. Yeah, fuck. Shablam blam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Wrong thing. Hi, Johnny boy. Johnny boy. How you doing? I can go reload. This is gonna take forever. Hell, speed this up. Where? Damn it. Oh, why did you not go in there? Oh! Bro hid behind the door. Bro hid behind the door. What the fuck? That's bullshit. That's just straight up bullshit right there. Fuck you, Johnny boy. Fucking Johnny boy. That's not fair. Oh my god, I hate this fucking motherfucker. Johnny boy? Johnny boy, where are you? Where is ya? Reload time. Fuck! God damn it. Alright. I might as well have him kill me again. There's no way I'm gonna do it with one heart. You want peace, they want war. What? Get fucked, Johnny boy. He's gonna be behind the door, isn't he? Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I knew he was gonna be behind the door because he's a cheating little motherfucker. Bro went like woo 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 woo. Fuck you, Johnny boy. Got like 2 more shots. Yeah, look at that lanky motherfucker. You're gonna be behind. Oh no, hey. Motherfucker's fucking comping me. Jesus. You gone? You are. Alright. Time to end this. I know you're out here, buddy. Door is now open. You can escape and drive away. 2 shots. The double tap. Ah. Really? After all of that. After all of that. Oh, I didn't die? What? What a dream. My head hurts. I must have passed out. I really need to get some food quickly. But let me answer that call first. Hello? Hey, it's John. Motherfucking Johnny boy. It was good. I like it. I don't know. It was a little annoying at times, but yeah. I wouldn't, like, shit on it, but I don't know. It was fun. Way too many shooting the creature with that. Like, oh, way too much with that. But anyway, on to the next one. My fucking eyes. On to the next one. This is the Not Deer Stew. Snow rests heavy on the woods of Timber Hulk. Something lives in these woods. Not an animal, not a man. It feeds on any who wander too far. Today is Christmas Eve. An old man returns to the woods, just as he has every year. He follows the old recipe, the one they call the Not Deer Stew. Bow! I heard a gun. Hold tab to show recipe. Build your fire. Gather 6 logs from the forest. Stack and light them. Follow the recipe. Don't die. Alrighty. Are these the logs? No, that's... What do I need to grab? Oh, are these logs? Oh, okay. Okay. Do this. No, okay. Also, L. Hopefully this one isn't too long, but it might actually be long enough to be its own video. Does that count? Yeah, it did. Actually, wait. Is this copyrighted? Oh, God, no. No, 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 no. I just realized, like, almost all Christmas songs are fucking copyrighted. Oh, why are there so many bones? You know what? I ain't gonna ask. You know, I realize it's... I realize that might be copyrighted. That wasn't me. Oh, it's the stairs that lead to nowhere. I walked up them. I think it was like something like that. Like, if you walked up the stairs, then it's like... melt 6 snowballs in the pots. How do I get snowballs? Two, 3. Shit. Add 3 whole potatoes, 2 whole carrots, and 1 whole onion. Well, gladly. I got those right here. It's like 3 russet potatoes. 2 very weirdly red carrots. Come on. Oh, come on, you fudge. You fudger. There we go. And then 1 whole yellow onion. Add wild mushrooms gathered from the woods. Are those these, or is these herbs? Those are herbs. Oh. No, thank you. Wild mushrooms. Hey, wild mushrooms. All I have to do is just not step in them, and then I'm fine, because that's a phase circle. I wonder what happens if I actually step in it. Whoa. Everything got gray. So why are we getting mushrooms from the middle of the woods? Seems very unsanitary. You know, just a thought. Oh. Random ball of light. Got it. No, yeah, I got it. Uh-huh. Some are in these mushrooms. Toss 2 luminous herbs of the forest as they heat they will call the knot deer. Oh, great. Oh, I love that. The fuck you mean they will call the knot deer? The fuck is the knot deer? I gotta add the one from the grave. I mean, I just have to at this point. 6. Sit by the fire. It will come from behind. Wait. Jesus. Sit by the fire. It will come from behind. Turn too soon and it flees. Turn too late and you die. Fire at it at the right moment. Note, if you turn too soon, repeat it will return. It's not smart. No, if it survives your shot, if it survives your shot, chase it. It will try to kill you. Don't stop shooting until it falls. So I gotta sit like, oh, I have to literally sit down. Okay. Fuck. Fuck. It's zigzagging! It's... Fuck. Forest is quiet again. In these woods, the deer take... The forest is quiet again. In these woods, the not deer takes any who wander too far. Today it was the old man. What remains of him lies scattered through the Thimberholt woods. His family celebrates no Christmas this year. Fuck, too early again. God, too early again? Jesus. Need like a mirror. Again, too early? Jesus, how fucking late do I have to let this thing creep up on me? Jesus. Fucking hell, again. No. Oh. Fuck you. Oh wait. Butcher with respect. Shoulder meat only. Tender when stew. Oh. Stew, leave the rest to the forest. The meat will rot quickly. Listen for the not deer. When you hear the call, the stew is done. A new not deer is born. Leave the forest immediately. The stew will be done. Serve it to others. I should have probably read that in unison. The not deer soup. The old man returns with the stew. The family gathers. They eat, they sing, and they dance. Later, he tucks his grandchildren into warm beds as the smell of Mothman cake drifts through the house. This tradition lasted for generations until the Great Not Deer Massacre in 1986. But that is a story for another time. That was really cool. I actually really like that. Thanks for playing. Thanks for making it. This is really cool. I heavily recommend this one. This one was really cool. Oh. This is a quiet place. This is definitely a horror game, I think. Maybe. Possibly. Quick note. All in-game music is created by me and is therefore not subject to any copyright claims. Feel free to record it. Yay! What's up, little man? You want to play outside? Go on, it's a nice day. Do whatever you like. Just don't stay out too late, alright? See you! This is definitely a horror game. Definitely not a nice game, I think. Maybe, possibly. I downloaded this a while ago. I genuinely cannot tell you. If not, this is just a nice little... Yeah, you know what? Actually, this is just a nice little reprieve from all of the horror that I've been dealing with for the past couple of days. Oh, look at it. Screensaver worthy. Memory lane. Oh. Dear homeowners, congratulations on your new home. On behalf of everyone at Vux Real Estate and Development Program, we want to express our heartfelt thanks for choosing us to be part of this important milestone in your life. We're honored that you placed your trust in our team, and we're proud to have helped you find a place to call your own. We hope your new home brings you years of happiness and comfort and wonderful memories. If you ever need anything in the future, our doors are wide open. Warmest regards, Vux Real Estate and Development Program. Cool. My sensitivity is so high. Wee. Oh, I can kick it. No. Yeah. I can't kick. Yeah. No. Okay, I should stop kicking it. Are you my father? He has a drinking problem. Don't mind him. A key. Okay. What's the key for? That. Is that your fake mother, father? Have you been having a drunk time again, father? Oh, it's my oh, all the toys got to go into the child drawing. Oh, Jesus. Actually, wait. I can just turn down the mouse. Let's do it again here. There we go. Instructions? Oh, I do all of the things have to go in. Got it. Even fake mother? Even fake mother. I'm tidying up the house, Dad. I promise. Don't beat me. Where did the happy music go? Oh, hey, there it is. Oh, no. Oh, father left. Why did father leave? Did he go out to get the milk and never come back? Oh, why is there the dying rose? Or, oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, no, I see father. Never mind. He didn't leave and never come back. What happens if I fall? I was about to. He escaped the rehab? What? Redtopia Rehabilitation Center, Memory Lane 2. Dearest resident, we are writing out of growing concern following the recent unplanned departure from our care. Several days have passed without any response to our outreach, and this silence is troubling. We fear that without support, harmful parents may quickly Harmful patterns may quickly, if left unchecked, become life-threatening. Please know our concern comes without judgment. We only want to ensure safety, health, and a path forward. Our doors remain open. Help is still here when you're ready. With concern, the care team. Father, did you break out of rehab? What a nice day to be alive and happy, isn't it? You must be happy too. We're doing fine and life is good, isn't it? I painted the fence. Look at its garden. Most of the flowers here are happy too. Only a few aren't. Eliminate them. I'm joking. They're already dead. Just pick them up. Come inside when you're done. Yes, Father. Yes, Papa. Gardening is so fun. My ball and kick. That's what Papa calls it. The ball and kick. Or the child's head, as he also calls it. I don't know why he calls the ball a child's head. I don't know. Father's weird like that sometimes. Father, all of the garden is picked. Papa, where are you? Papa. 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 Oh, our thing has moved too. Oh. Life is good, I'm happy, and stuff seems pretty fine. Had sleep paralysis a few days ago, felt like ages, lasted no more than 12 seconds, but it was scary. Man, I couldn't sleep for the rest of the night. Page from my journal. Oh. Papa, I thought we talked about the drinking. Papa, I thought we talked about the drinking. You have a drinking problem. I can't fight it, can I? Not anymore. You picked up the flowers. Good job. You did there. Really, really good job. The garden is so nice. Thank you. I think I'm tired. Could you leave me alone for a moment? I know this is your room, but I can't sleep on that damn couch anymore. See you later. Papa, I thought we talked. Why is everything gray? Why does my room have nothing in it? Oh. Oh, Amari lives rent-free in my house. I really need to replay Amari. Oh, Papa, oh, you have a drinking problem. Electricity bill. Account number 298114456. Billing date is the 1st of May 2025 and due date is the 21st of May 2025. Service address is house number 3 on Memory Lane. Meter number is 556781920. Billing period is the 1st of April of 2025 to April 30th of 2025. Previously read is 14,982 kilowatts. Current reading is 15,421 kilowatts. Total usage is 430 kilowatts. Charges summary. Emergency charge 430 kilowatts. Blah, blah, blah. $60 fee. Damn, that's a lot for that. Okay. Fixed service fee $12. Taxes and fees $5. Total amount is 78. Please please pay by the due date to avoid late fees. For questions, contact. I don't know why I had to read all of that out. No, my ball. It got popped. Papa, you have a drinking problem, Papa. Papa, why can't I get into my room, Papa? Oh, the key. Papa, I'm gonna go into my room, Papa. Oh, sad, bad detention? What? Pipe friction? Papa, are you gay? I don't know. Things aren't looking too, page from my journal. Things aren't looking too good, not at all like real bad. And there's not much I can change about it. As Tony Soprano would say, you're born into this or something like that. Or was it Edward Norton? I'm something tired. Pipe friction? Papa, oh, what's wrong with you? These damn flowers are almost dead. You gotta seek help, young man, or you'll end up like me. And you don't want that, believe me. Leave this place, get sober, and do something with yourself. Half of the garden is dead, and frankly, I'm depressed and ashamed. See you later. I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry. All right, let's see what Papa has next for us. This is this looks like the last house on Memory Lane. We have to leave this house. Dear tenants, thank you for being part of the community. Unfortunately, due to ongoing concerns regarding the property's condition and repeated complaints from neighbors, your lease will be ending. After review and approval by the local housing authority, we are providing formal notice that you must vacate your property by the 1st of December. This allows approximately 30 days to make necessary arrangements. We appreciate your time here and are available if you need assistance or clarification during your transition. Sincerely, Volks Real Estate and Development Program. Ah, we got evicted. Got it. All of our shit. I can't pick up the flowers, Papa. Papa, are you drinking, Papa? I don't recommend going further. I don't want you to see me like this. Goodbye. Oh, fuck, he killed himself. Oh. I'm going to say this, warning, because I haven't been taking this seriously, but, like, this is... I haven't been taking this seriously because I don't like taking things like this seriously. It's how I cope with that shit. Yeah, just slight warning for probably what you're about to see. I know it's not going to be bad, but... Oh, never mind. Papa! It's you. Thanks for coming. Sorry for leaving like this. I packed up your stuff. It's right there on the bed. We have to leave the house. Garden is dead, isn't it? I'll also cut that out. That was dumb. It makes me sad. Remember, as Redtown would say, choose life, you're a grown-up person. Who's texting me? See you later. Oh. Ah, he did kill himself. Papa! No! Papa! Well, I'm a grown man now. I don't care about no papa. No, I do care about my papa. Papa! Oh, jeez. Oh. Huh? Huh? Oh, whoa, ow, ah. There it is. Papa, is that you? Papa? Papa, is that you? Papa, I'm coming towards the light, Papa. Oh. Papa! He finally wants to play kid's head with me, but... Yes! Aw, that was cute. I mean, yeah, it's just existential and sad and fucking fuck, but, like, that was really cute. If you liked what you saw, review or small one-time donation to Itch would really mean a lot. Yeah, it was really fun. I liked that a lot. I know I joked about it most of the time, but that was really fun. I liked it. And, yeah, no, it was really fun. But, anyway, that is a handful of horror. Or, well, horror. Last game wasn't really horror. was kind of just existential dread. But I guess that's a type of horror. Anyway, as always, all of the games that have been played are linked in the description below, or at least the ones that can be. All of these ones are, so they will be, so go check them out. They're all fun. Anyway, thank you all so very much for watching. I do hope you did. I do hope that you did. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you all enjoyed. If you did, consider liking or subscribing. It really does help me out. It's nice. It's a good thing to see. But I won't force you. I can't force you. But anyway, thank you all so very much for watching. I do hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. But for now, bye-bye.